Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Ariel and today is day 17 of my 25 days of Christmas playlist, and today I'm going to be decorating my tree. And I didn't realize until after I was done decorating, but I did this using mostly Dollar Tree items to create this nature inspired theme with gold accents. Okay, so of course I had to start off with the lights. With the exception of the lights, the tree, a set of ornaments I got from the thrift store, and a handful of ornaments that have just been in my family for a while. Everything else was from the Dollar Tree. Even the ornaments that I made myself this year were made using Dollar Tree items. So I was actually able to pull this tree together this year using less than $30. So I'm starting off with this mini pine cone garland that's from the Dollar Tree. I used 2 packs of these, and I'm just going to show you guys each ornament or types of ornaments that I'm going to put on before I put them on, because it's going to be really hard for you guys to see me actually putting the ornament on the tree because of the angle of the camera, and I do apologize for that, but I will be showing you guys everything up close before I put it on the tree. I used 2 packs of the gold cedar picks and 2 packs of these green picks, and then I only purchased 3 of these willow picks that I spray painted gold in my DIY ornaments video, and that is a part of this 25 days of Christmas playlist. I'll have the playlist linked below. I wish I got more of the willow picks that I spray painted gold though, because they turned out so nice. And these are the ornaments that I talked to you about in the beginning that were from the thrift store. They came in a 4-pack for $4.99 at the Goodwill, and they're like these really nice ceramic ornate gold ornaments. I just could not pass them up. I also DIY'd these ornaments in my DIY ornament video. These ornaments you can get in a tube of 10 in a pack at the Dollar Tree. They sell them in a variety of colors and patterns and textures, and I picked up gold because that went with my theme, and I think I used about 4 tubes of the ornaments. So that's a great price when you think about it. You can get 40 ornaments for $4. And these next few ornaments are also ornaments that I made in my DIY ornament video. And I kind of would consider these a DIY too. These are the Dollar Tree snowflakes that come 10 in a pack, but I spray painted them gold. And I don't know where the footage went of me adding those ornaments on, but this is what my finished tree looks like. And again, I'm sorry I wasn't super close up with the camera, but I am going to show you guys more close-up footage here at the end. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing on my channel. I do budget-friendly home decor and home improvement projects, and that also includes shop with me videos, hauls, thrift flips. So if you're interested in that sort of content, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you part of my family here on YouTube. I also flocked this Christmas tree myself. That DIY is also a part of this 25 Days of Christmas playlist, and I'll have that linked in the description if you're interested in seeing that. And I also made the tree color myself as a part of a DIY that's on the playlist also. So if you're interested in seeing those DIY projects and how I created the tree color and how I flocked my tree, as well as more thrift flips, DIY projects, the ornaments that I made in this video, that will all be in the Christmas playlist that's linked in the description. I hope that you guys will subscribe so that you guys can join me for future videos as well. And let me know in the comments below, are you guys using a tree collar this year, or a tree skirt, or nothing at all? And leave me a like if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful holiday.